Okay, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Make sure if you are new here you click subscribe. If you are a returning viewer then you probably already know what's happening today. Obviously last episode we got the four-wheel alignment. This episode is time for some new tyres. I've got a castellated tyre on the back. Sounds like a wheel bearing gone. It is awful and I think it's about time we do something with these wheels as well. So if you want to have a look at them, they're not very nice. This one's corroding. This one's also corroding. This one's corroding too. And Lauren curbed this one.
Shut up.
No, I'm joking, but it is curbed. So, as some of you might have guessed, we're on our way to raw wheels. We're going to get these sorted. This is the last time you're going to see the car looking like this, so take a good look. I still haven't actually decided entirely what colour to get them. I've got a couple of ideas, but I'm not entirely sure. Stay tuned, we've got a couple of other things to do, but for now, let's get on the way.
What? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Camera shy?
Yeah.
That's very unlike you.
So we've just been to Raw, so we're on our way to town, aren't we, to get a coffee.
What happened at Raw?
Oh, sorry.
You saw a dog?
Yeah,
You stroked a dog? You petted a dog?
We saw a dog, raw dog. We saw...
That dog is fairly famous, isn't it, to be honest? Raw dog.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's even got like a thing round its neck.
As soon as you turn up, it just starts howling. It's like, "Ooh, get your wheels refurbed." And what are you after now?
And now we're after coffee.
You got a coffee, do you?
And a pan of chocolate.
Pan of chocolate, she says.
So we're going to get a coffee and we'll see you soon.
Right, so we're in the centre of York. I don't know how, I've never realised there's like little electric scooters that you can just hire. So we're going to get one of those, start zooming around. We've just got a coffee. We're about 100 metres away from the scooters. There's a little app where you find them. So we're going to see how fast they are, maybe do some jumps off some curbs and stuff. Lauren's probably going to fall off, but we shall see.
Tell me, do you think we're ever gonna make it?
Oh my god, look at these.
Tell me,
Put your phone
Look at that.
let me go. Let me go.
Looks like it, right. Let's give it a go. Yeah, we just had a little look now. You've got to like upload your driver's licence and all sorts of things. So we've just taken pictures of driving licences. You've got to do one of those little face video things. So hopefully it'll verify soon and we'll be able to get on it because she is excited. Tell me about the scooters, What happened with scooters?
So, a bit of a fail actually. We
Wasn't a fail, you got to go on a scooter.
Well,
I
yeah.
just look like a 5-year-old on my driving licence. Got rejected. Something to do with being a terrible driver, but I don't know what they're talking about really.
he does look about 6 on his driver's licence, so it could be something to do with the fact of that, and now you've got the full beard.
And a Beatles haircut. Cannot
Yeah.
wait for barbers to open again.
Nice.
Right, that's first thing done. Little screw for Lauren's upcoming service. Show them what you got. Look at that. So now where are we going?
So now we're going to VW to test the GTI up.
You wish, hopefully, we'll see. No, she's not kidding though. We are going to VW. This is because I need a new thermostat for my car. Now, I rang York Audi and they said 48 quid. I thought, do you know what? I'll just ring VW anyway and just see if there's a difference in price. And same part, 40 quid, except he quoted me ex VAT. So I paid the 40 quid, came from the on my card receipt, and it was 48 quid anyway. So yeah, so we've got to go to VW now, just go get a thermostat for my Audi. And yeah, I mean, if there is an up GTI there, I won't say no, but we'll give it a go. We'll see what happens. You might not be allowed in, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. What you got there then?
This is a thermostat. Is that right?
You should have played it off.
So this is going to make your car heat up.
Pretty much, yeah.
Because yours is not doing a good job at the minute.
It's not, to be honest. It's not at all.
That's crazy how that fixes that though. Like, it just looks like a plastic pipes to me. So what you do, you put it in your car and then Bob's your uncle.
Just had a little KFC. What did you get?
A little chicken zinger meal.
Yeah, chicken zinger meal. Nice.
Okay, so it's getting towards the end of the day. We dropped the car off this morning at 8:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30ish, and left it with them. We've pretty much wasted all day, but we've had a good day. We've done loads of stuff, picked up a load of bits that we need, and it is about 4:30 now. So we're gonna get back over to Raw. I'm quite excited to see what these wheels look like. All I've seen is a little sample of the colour, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's part of a bit of a master plan, so I've got some new mirrors coming in the same colour, so that probably gives it away. But we'll get back over there, have a look at it, and then I'll probably do a bit of a cinematic sort of reveal of what the car looks like now. So yeah, we'll jump back in the car and get moving. Looks quite sick, that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It looks new. That looks new.
It does, it looks good, doesn't it? Think you made the right choice?
Yeah.
Certainly looks a bit newer,
Do
doesn't
you
it?
think you made the right choice?
I've got no idea, to be honest. I've got no idea.
I
think
like
I think I need to wait for the wing mirrors to
Yeah,
come
I think the wing mirrors are good.
and a bit of tyre shine and clean the car a little bit. But yeah, right, we're gonna leave that here then, because I can't face showing you these wheels while it's dirty. So I'll wait till the weekend. It'll only be a few seconds for you. I'll clean my car and then I will reveal all. Get a bit of tyre shine on as well. See you soon. Right, so it's the next day. As you can see, the car is cleaned, albeit a little bit dusty. But yeah, I cleaned it yesterday and we are ready to reveal the new wheels to you. So cut it there, let's go, check it out. Cut to the clip. Okay, so new wheels. I am unbelievably chuffed with these. I think they look mint. I think they make the car look loads newer, which is good because it is an old car, and I think this brings it bang up to date. I basically showed the guys at Raw a couple of pictures of a lot of B7 RS4s come on these like Le Mans wheels, or Le Mans, however you say it. And basically what they've got is this like sort of silver that matches the wing mirrors. And what I did is I showed him this picture of this RS4. I said as close to that as you can get, because in a future episode we have got some sort of S3 wing mirrors to go on this, which are like a brushed aluminium, and also some dynamic indicators. So if you're not already, subscribe, make sure you're tuned in to see that. But yeah, there's the car. What do you think? So like I said, some sort of bright silver. Obviously we've got new tyres as well after we got the wheel alignment at Bram Racing last week. So fresh set of tyres on. I've gone for the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, and they are in a 225 4018. I know a lot of you will be sort of wondering how much this sort of thing costs. So effectively, the tyres I got mail order from Black Circles. It's about 298 quid for all 4, which is pretty good for PS4s, to be honest. And then the wheel refurb was £260. Obviously that includes the fitting of the tyres and the balancing and stuff, so that's why you can get the tyres mail order and they're a little bit cheaper. So all in, £560, fresh wheel refurb, new tyres, balance, everything sorted, and to be honest, they look mint. So that brings us towards the end of the video. Obviously, thanks for watching. There is loads more to come on the Audi, and a little bonus, the Polo is back in my possession. So if you haven't seen any of the Polo stuff, click here in the top right hand corner. Go watch all the Polo series. It's had a full rebuild, custom made coilovers, all that sort of jazz. But yeah, it broke and now it's fixed, and I've got it at home, ready to go. Coming up is obviously getting the Polo MOT'd. We're going to take it to VW, get a full health check, and hopefully that thing is going to be back on the road and ready to summer. So for now, give this video a thumbs up for the spanking new wheels. Comment down below, what colour would you have gone for? Have I made the right choice? Is it going to look good with the silver wing mirrors, or would you have just blacked it all out? Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps the channel. It's starting to pick up a bit now, grow a little bit faster, so yeah, see you in the next one.